Title: Sneeze Apocalypse. Doctor: What seems to be the issue? Patient: I can't stop sneezing. I sneezed so hard yesterday, Siri called 911. Doctor: How often? Patient: Every 8 seconds. I'm banned from yoga and elevators. Doctor: Allergies? Patient: I live in a bubble. My plants are fake. Even my emotions are hypoallergenic. Doctor: Any pets? Patient: Just a turtle. He moved out last week. Couldn't handle the turbulence. Doctor: Open your mouth and say, ah. Patient: chew. Doctor, wiping face. I said, not Hurricane Katrina. Patient: Sorry, it has a mind of its own. Last night I sneezed my wig into the neighbor's yard. Doctor: You're not even wearing a wig. Patient: Exactly. Doctor: Diagnosis: Weaponized sinuses. Patient: Is there a cure? Doctor: Only one, but it involves duct tape and a priest. Patient: I'll take it. Please subscribe.